Connect the dots. All the way over. All the way back to my side. Back to yours. Yeah. And back into that gas. What's your guys' names?
This is Zach.
Zach. Dylan.
I'm James.
James.
And this is Sean.
Hi, Sean. How are you guys?
All right. Great.
You guys ever been on a racetrack before? First time, huh?
First time.
You guys excited?
Yes, we are.
Yeah?
I'm really excited.
Really excited?
Yeah.
You ready to go fast?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Give me some. Cool. So our first lap, we're going to take a little bit slower, all right? It's going to be an educational lap. I'm going to show you exactly where you need to be on track and what these cones mean, all right?
Okay.
Biggest thing today is being patient and executing what the cones are telling you to do, okay? So, the way I'm going to instruct you is your side of the track, my side of the track.
Okay.
It's like playing a game of connect the dots.
Right.
The cone's on your side, we stay to your side. If the cone comes over to my side, we're going to make a smooth transition over to my side. But everything we do today is smooth. Okay? Rule number 1, keeping those eyes up, looking down track at all times. Looking for that next reference point. After that, we're going to learn how to drive the line. We're going to be using the whole surface of the racetrack today. Minus 3 feet on each side. Those 3 feet are a safety barrier, not just for you, but for us, to catch any mistakes that might happen out there today. Sound good? You guys are going to see a sequence of cones that you guys see every day, just like a traffic light. Red, yellow, green. Yellow does not mean haul butt through the intersection and try and get through. It means once we get to that yellow cone, we're lifting off those pedals. Once we get to those red cones, we're going brakes in a straight line. We're always braking in a straight line, all right? Once we get to our orange turn-in cone, we're gonna melt off those brakes and start coasting so we can turn into our corner. All right, once we get to our green cone, it doesn't mean go. It means that's the middle of the corner and we can start rolling into that throttle nice and smooth.
Right.
Copy?
Gotcha.
Let's do this, my man. Besides that, are you guys ready to go have some fun?
Yeah. All right, let's get it.
First lap's gonna be a little bit slower. Second lap, we'll go and speed it up, go have some fun. Third lap, I'll attempt a do not try at home lap.
Okay, that'll do it.
All right?
That's what we want.
So, I'm gonna need some deep breaths at the end of that track, all right? Let's do this. We're gonna come through our corner. We're gonna start adding some throttle. Alright, so we're coming on in. When we get to those yellow cones, we lift. We come in, nice smooth brakes. 3, 2, 1. We're off those brakes and now I'm coasting, letting the car do the work. Start in the middle, eyes on that green cone, we're gonna start melting down. Adding a little bit of throttle, let's go have some fun. So, connect the dots, orange to green, nice and smooth, stay to your side. Lift, orange, back to green, coming on in. We're coming into the Memphis M's. Nice, good brake. It gets a little tight back here. Connect the dots. All the way over, all the way back to my side. Back to yours, yeah, and back into that gas. Ready? Lift. Nice, good brakes. 3, 2, 1. We're off those brakes. Back on through. Yeah, ready? Ready, lift. Nice, good brakes. 3, 2, orange, back to green. Ready? We're gonna go windows down this time, okay? This is where it gets fun. We'll start to speed it up a little bit. But now that we're speeding it up, that's how much we have to be more smooth in the car, okay? Ready? Nice deep breath. Shake your fingers out. Eyes up. orange, back to green. How you doing over there? You having fun?
Yeah.
There we go. Ready, left. Nice good break. 3, 2, orange, back to green. Back on through. Nice, good break. How's everybody doing?
Good.
You doing good over there?
Yeah, so good.
Perfect. All right, we're heading into our last lap. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Three, two. Cone, back to green cone. Connect those dots for me. Woohoo! And that's it right there. How was that? Give me some. All cars pit, pit, pit. All cars pit, pit, pit. All cars are on lead lap. Was that everything you ever wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah? What'd you guys think?
That was awesome. My God, that DZ boat was awesome.
So that's all you gotta go do out there, alright? The best thing is you're gonna have one of me sitting right next to you the whole time, telling you exactly what to do, when to do it.
Okay.
I repeat, all cars pit, pit, pit. All cars pit, pit, pit. All cars are on lead lap. Well, thank you guys so much for coming into my car, learning a little bit. You guys go have some fun, okay?